tried to tell me I'm no good.
Say what?
They tried to bring me down, but I'm a renegade. Bboys for life.
Yeah.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy Magnus.Magneto from Now or Never crew, and in this video I'm gonna go over a footwork pattern that I made yesterday. I don't have a name for it yet, but by the end of the video we will have a name. I also want to show you guys some beautiful murals that we have here in Vancouver, BC. As you can see, look at this, man. Absolute perfection. So Van Mural Fest, which is a big mural festival in Vancouver, just happened recently, and I wanted to show you guys them while also giving you some moves. So let's go. All right, so this is a little bit of a strange step, but it's got kind of more of my flavor in it. So just kind of go with me here, and yeah, if you want to use it, great. If not, cool too. So you're gonna start one leg out, and just gonna bring this knee under this leg. So you're gonna go like this, boom. So this leg's gonna come in onto the top of your toe, this knee goes under. It's really important that that makes contact. So knee to your calf. Then switch sides, do the other side. So top of your toe, knee go under your calf like that. And then switch, going, hit. Notice that my hips are twisting to the side as I hit that. I know it's a bit of a strange one, but it's gonna look really sick. So then here, switch, switch, hit, switch, switch, hit, switch, switch, hit, switch, switch, hit, switch, switch, hit. Now from there, all you're gonna do is do a little bit of a hook, like this, boom, boom, okay? I call this like a high hook. Hit, hit, hit. So you're gonna bring one leg high as you can, kind of like a puppet. Woo. Or like a martial artist. Hit. So here, and then you're gonna go straight out. Don't cross. Go in front. Because if you cross, it's gonna mess you up for later. I found that out the hard way. So you're gonna go here, straight out, and then hook, back. Then as soon as you switch, you're gonna bring this leg back up. Here. Switch legs, straight out, and then pop it in. And high knee, center, hit, back, high knee, center, hit, back, and up, boom, hit, and up, boom, hit, and up, boom, hit. After that, what you're gonna do is you're gonna pull this over to the side. So like lift it up, center, figure four, and then put it down up here. So you want your hips and everything spread out here. So you're centered, lift it up, place it over here. This is why it's really important this isn't crossed. If this is crossed and you do it, you have nowhere to go. So make sure you're centered here, pick it up, step over, and switch sides, going here, pick it up, out there. So make sure that's diagonal, not front. So adding that in, going here, hit, up, and switch, here, up, hit. So again, diagonal, not front. Now we just add that one into the first one. So you're going up, center, hit, over, up, center, hit, over, up, center, hit, over, up, center, hit, over, switch, hit, and up, switch, hit, and up. So now last one, what you're gonna do, from here, your foot's down, you're just gonna twist your heels to the sky and your knees to the ground. So hand coming down, twist all the way up, like that. The more bent this leg can be, and the more up they can both be, the better it's gonna look. So, try again, leg cross, place it down, then twist your hips from that upwards position to a downwards position. And then, from here, all you do is come back, switch to the other side, center, same as before, hit, over, and again, leg twisting to the sky, knees twisting downwards, hand coming down. Like that. So, I personally like to keep my head facing front, so you have that nice twist. I think it just adds a nice shape to it, rather than twisting everything to the ground. So, here, like that. So almost like you're looking at your back toe, back heel, one of those feet. So, again, from here, leg over, pushing this down again, hips coming out, then lean your weight onto that front toe. Tap, like that. Then, coming back, switch, center, hook over, place down, leg coming up, hit, and then just repeat the process. Now add a little bit more speed into it. Going up, center, hit, here, boom, and up, center, here, up, hit. Now when you're transitioning from side to side, how I get out of this position is I place that top leg or back leg right here, this one, under my bum, and then right away I hop to that high knee as tight as I can so I can push out as far as I can. So then when I hit in here, I can actually raise my bum off my heel so that adds that nice shape. So that when I come back, I can place it back down so I can leverage my weight over here to the side. Then, rotating again, your weight down. Then you bring it back, center, under your bum, switching legs, up, straight, front, bum coming off, rotating to the side, up and over. Coming back, a little bit quicker. Hit, center, hit, up, boom, and center, hit, boom, up, hit. So now what's gonna make this step really look nice and stand out from other steps, and the reason I'm teaching this one to you guys is because it makes you rely on a lot of different things. So you're not doing so much of the normal sweep or low or whatever. You're doing a lot of hip movement and leaning and rotating, which I don't think we touched upon too much on other steps, so this step's really gonna help you get that. So for instance, right here, this already opens a new door for you, okay? Because that's just adds a whole different style of footwork, because usually we go CC, you go kick out, whatever, but like this is just a completely different feel to it. We don't usually do a pull in like that. And then rotating through, and that twist here also adds a different kind of vocabulary into your footwork. Then right here, just adds a nice little twist. So that last one doesn't teach you as much new stuff, but it really teaches you how to commit into the movement. So if you can apply all that, then it'll look a little bit something like this.
Tried to tell me I'm no good.
Say what?
They tried to bring me down, but I'm a renegade. Bboy for life.
All right, y'all. And if you followed those steps, then hopefully it'll look a little bit something like that. Again, feel free to just take the parts that you like from it. Do not feel the need to keep that as a full pattern. That's just how I curated it. By all means, it does not need to be that way. So if you want to take just one move or this move or that move, do your thing, doesn't matter. I want you to really think about the patterns I use with this step and see if you guys can apply those angles and pattern styles into your own flavor, because then you're really gonna get as much as you can from this video. Don't think about so much just the choreography, think of it more of the feeling and the angles behind the choreography, because that's more so what this pattern's about. All right, y'all, if you like this video and you like this mural, because it's freaking dope, man, don't forget to like the comment, don't forget to comment down below, tell me what you'd like to see next, like the video, subscribe, and smash the bell button for more videos, because your boy is hot and I could use that chill button. All right, thanks so much for watching. This is Bboys.Magneto for Never Crew. See you tomorrow. Before you go, if you're not completely sick of my face already, don't forget to get my free course, Breaking Made Simple. To access the course, all you have to do is go to the link down below. To get the free download, all you have to do is join the Facebook group, Breaking Made Simple, which is a hub for people to learn, grow, and just get better and become the best B-boys they possibly can, man.